It's not obvious how to unlink your Android device from the Windows Phone Link app, considering there's no option to remove it in settings like there is for iPhones. Here's how to unlink and relink it later on. To unlink your Android device, you must sign out of the Microsoft account in the Phone Link app on your Windows PC and the Link to Windows app on your Android device. First, open the Phone Link app, go to Settings, Devices, and click the Sign Out link on your Microsoft account. Next, click Sign Out in the pop-up and close the Phone Link app. Then, open the Link to Windows app on your Android device and tap your Microsoft account in the Linked Account section. Next, tap the Sign Out and Unlink Account link in the Account Settings section. Finally, tap Unlink in the pop-up that appears at the bottom to complete the unlinking process. To relink your Android device to the Phone Link app again, you need to ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on your Windows PC and your Android device. Open the Phone Link app on your Windows computer and click the Android option. In the pop-up, select the Microsoft account you want to use to establish the link and click the Continue button. You might need to enter the necessary credentials to sign into the account. You will see a QR code on the screen. Open the Camera app on your Android device and point it at the QR code to scan it. A link will appear under the QR code, tap it. The Phone Link app on your PC will now display a 6-character code. Enter it in the Link to Windows app and tap the Continue button. Follow the steps in the Link to Windows app to sign into your Microsoft account. Tap Done on your Android device and then click Continue in the Phone Link app on Windows. That's all, friends.